Hello friends, welcome to our second video on dollar cost averaging. In last lesson, we talked about the traditional dollar cost averaging where we cut the cake into 5 pieces and invest $1,000 each month for 5 consecutive months. Today, I will show you an advanced version of this technique used by many professional investors, which I call it the PE method. Before starting this video, please let me know you like our video. Hit that subscribe button right now. This way you can receive our free investment tips on how to make money. PE stands for price to earnings ratio. It is a commonly used measurement to value stocks. Typically, when a stock price goes up, their valuation goes up and the PE goes up. On the contrary, when the stock price drops, their PE goes down. Recall, in our traditional dollar cost averaging method, we were investing a fixed $1,000 every month. You see the problem here? It's fixed. A smart investor should always think about buying low and sell high. So instead of buying fixed, we should try to buy more at lower price. Here's how we use the PE method. Same as before, we have $5,000, starting with investing $1,000 each month. Let's consider a hypothetical stock with a historical average PE of 10 times. In the first month, let's assume the stock is trading at 10 times PE, therefore we invest $1,000. In the second month, the stock price goes up and the PE becomes 11. 10 divided by 11 equals to 90%. So in the second month, we invest $900. In the third month, the stock price drops. Now the PE becomes 8. 10 divided by 8 equals to 125%. This time, we invest $1,250. Do you see the trend here? Once the stock becomes very expensive, we invest less money with only $900. But when the stock gets cheap and becoming a bargain, we'll buy more with $1,250. This strategy is very smart. It builds our position with a lower cost, therefore we can make more money in the future. Next question. For the PE used in our calculation, current PE is always shown in the app, but where is the historical PE? Go ahead and pick your favorite stock. On the top bar, slide to the analysis page, then choose Fundamental. Tap Details. In the next page, we'll find the average PE. The default time is 3 months. We can tap here, then choose longer periods such as 6 months, 1 year, or even longer. Our last takeaway from today's video. In the example, we use PE to value stocks because PE is popular for most sectors, for instance, Apple and Facebook from the TMT sector. However, for some other companies, in particular the banks, professionals always use PB instead of PE due to their different business nature. Therefore, in our technique, we should also use PB to calculate purchases. Thanks for watching. With today's strategy, you're one step closer to become a smarter investor. It's not finished yet. In the next video, we'll go through another advanced dollar cost averaging technique, which not only allows us to buy at low, but also sell high. Hit the subscribe button right now, like our video and click the bell to stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Have a profitable day.